is a North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction. The Rutherford County Sheriff's Office is searching for Malachi Blake Green. Malachi Blake Green is a 3-year-old white male, approximately 3 feet tall, weighing 45 pounds. He has blonde hair and hazel eyes. The abductor, Alyssa Green, is described as a white female, approximately 5 feet 5 inches tall, weighing 220 pounds, with red hair and green eyes. They were last seen traveling from Centennial Road in Union Mills, North Carolina, possibly heading to Charlotte, North Carolina, in a gray 2012 Dodge Journey with North Carolina plate King Adam William 7288. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call Rutherford County Sheriff's Office immediately at 828-286-2911 or call 911 or *47. Again, this is an Amber Alert for a child abduction.